Hi everyone, and welcome back to the LYNQ kitchen. So today we are making Caesar salad
with empowdered. So what we first do is we just mix all the ingredients together. So we have lemon juice, some garlic, already minced, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard.
What sauce was that?
Worcestershire sauce.
Can you pronounce it?
It's pronounced Worcestershire sauce, but it is spelled like Worcester.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
That's why I was like...
But it's called... So we want your opinions. If you have any opinion as to whether it's Worcestershire sauce or Worcester sauce, let us know.
Please.
Okay,
next.
Okay, so we put the Dijon. We are going to add a little bit of empowdered. So we are adding a teaspoon of empowdered. We're just going to whisk it all together. Once that's mixed together, we're going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, and salt. Whisk it all together again, and this is good in the refrigerator for about a week.
Actually, a very easy recipe.
Very easy. Okay, so we are ready to put the salad dressing onto romaine lettuce. Let me start with half and go from there. We will mix this in. And Tanella's already thinking of tasting it. That's what she went to get the bowl for.
That's why I do these cooking shows, is so I can...
So she can eat, and then we add some croutons. Now I also like to sometimes add capers to my Caesar dressing, and I also like bacon bits. So you can add any one of those.
Definitely the bacon bits. You know what? I love this recipe. This is perfect.
It's lemony, it's garlicky, it's very good.
I would add the bacon bits because I love bacon bits.
That's quite good. So follow us and share our recipes.
Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipes. Also, if you're going to do the recipes, tag us, send us the recipes through our social media channels, and we'll repost you.
Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next Cooking with LYNQ segment.